Hey from Florida.
No twins.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for the roses, K-Pro69.
Which one was it direct? It was me.
Which one?
Yeah, it's the other day actually.
Hi from Cambodia. Hi. Cambodia's a great. Yes, that's Jamie. Do you think human morality? Literally, the babe of the Kennedy be the bugs came in. It's college worth the money. Our college was really cheap, so
I would say absolutely.
It was totally worth it for us. Men want farts. That's good. That's amazing. Wisconsin, hey. It's my birthday. Oh my gosh, happy birthday.
I love Jamie.
Oh, follow her yesterday. Go on her live right now. If you love her, go on her live right now. It's the same thing, but just like go support her. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hi. Why did the duck go to jail? I don't know.
Jamie needs to join. Oh.
No, that one time it didn't work.
When we join, should I turn my volume off?
You could. Let's just do that. Okay, join me right now.
Okay.
Join me yesterday.
I'm really so stupid.
I don't know. We're an idiot. Yay. Okay. And then, Hi, thank you so much for the roses. Why does it do that?
Here, should I just put my phone over here?
Where are you guys? No. Oh. But like, I guess. Hey guys. A friggin' tweaker. That's fine. What do you guys hang out? Hash for French. I also my back. So that's my. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna. I can't see this. You can. Oh, that's. You kind of. It looks like. Oh fuck! Okay, guys. Oh yeah. What yesterday? Nerds. They're so good. So good. Okay. You join me. So weird. What? 300. My family years.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. I have my bagel bean. And then I have just my Air Force Ones, and I have crease shields in them if anyone cares. And then I have earrings in, and then I got my nails, and then that's my life. You wanna? I don't
know. It's called a match. What's a match?
I don't know what a match. Wait, what the heck do you do? What we're doing?
I don't know either. I don't understand.
You'd be like one of those girls. Just kidding. I can't dance to save my life.
I think honestly, Becca, it's because I'm shadow banned.
I don't think you're shadow banned. I don't know. Maybe.
What?
No. Weak. Hello from Kentucky. Hi. We need to have someone like you just need to draw it and put it. Can I pin it? Like if I like on the comment section, can I like pin it and so that you guys like it? Because I don't know. How's your hair going? It's literally. God, you look beautiful.
Okay, but it's like I have no viewers, so it's like why I'm on here.
Okay, I know I'm really bored right now. Can someone ask me right now whether I just kind of like to be all cozy? So, does anyone want to hear about my day? Does anyone want to hear about my day? Are you guys friends? Yes, she's my best friend. I want to hear about my day. Now I can hear you. Yay! I'm glad that you can hear me. It's so good. And you guys are great. I love you all. Please follow me if you want more content. You want to hear about my day? Okay, so today I woke up. at like 5, and then I work at juvie. So I went to the juvenile correctional facility and just match. It was really fun. My team lost, unfortunately, so that was kind of sad, but it's fine. We tried our best, right? You can only do so much. But if I was in, we would have won. I'm kidding. Dope. I know, right? It's seriously so freaking fun. I loved it. How am I doing? I'm honestly really good. How are you doing? That's the real question. How's your guys' mental health? Good or bad?